On today's show, I'm going to a chili parlor that's known for some of the best fajitas in the area, a creperie with a crepe filled with fruit that's about this big. And for the first time on the show, I'm going to a fast food joint that has a sandwich right now that has so much hype around it. I gotta go check it out. Let's roll. All right, so we got, is this skirt?
This is skirt.
Okay, skirt steak, so that's been marinating
and
for...
jumbo breast of chicken that's been marinating for at least 24 hours. Special marinade my brother Scott came up with.
Is there wine in it?
There is a little wine in it.
Boone's Farm, or?
Yeah, Boone's Farm, yeah.
That's the best.
Strawberry fields forever, right?
Back in the day, I always thought that fajitas were straight from Mexico. I thought they've been making it there for thousands of years. No. That's not true. It didn't even get popular until 1971. Invented in Texas, believe it or not. All right, so steak's ready to rock. What do you like to cook it to? A medium, medium well, or?
It's a medium rare on the beef, and it's cooked through on the chicken.
Okay. Beautiful. Love the colors.
We have green peppers, onions, red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers. We're gonna throw our meat in there. We're gonna do a chicken and beef fajita combination. We serve chicken and beef fajitas separate or a combo.
And I hate when you get a fajita when it's all like mushy.
Soggy. Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
It actually ruins the shell too, the wrap.
But you've also got your customers that come in here and say, I want a fajita well done.
What about a guy like me that likes a steak kind of well done? I get a lot of love for that.
That's all you say. You say I want it well done, and then we come back here and we talk about it.
I don't like it well. Why? I do. Exactly. They're like, man, this guy, man, he doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. I like medium well. How long do you keep that pan in there for to get it going? You just have them in there all day long?
All day long.
You just keep them in there all day?
Yeah.
Here we go.
I'm going to have to go to this angle.
Uh-oh. Oh, that is beautiful.
Gotta do the line, gotta do the line.
A great marinade. Putting the shell, going with the flour, of course, because we don't want. I actually like the corn ones better, but they don't hold up.
Yeah.
You make a fajita, you're eating it, the bottom falls out. You're like, bro, what the heck?
You know, we have a lot of people that order the corn tortilla too. You know,
rookies.
Corn tortillas, non-gluten.
Now, are these wrappers better than, like, say, Taco Bell? I'm just messing.
Wrappers, these tortillas. Yeah.
Wrappers.
Yes, these flour tortillas I get from a...
You don't get them from Taco Bell?
I get them from a supplier that stands behind it, and I went through a lot of different ones and tasted them.
Got it.
This is the one I like.
And you put the meat on. I'm gonna load up. I like a lot of steak on mine. I like chicken too, but then I'm gonna have to go with some cheese.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is how it's done. All right, here we go.
Kicking it all over the tortilla.
That's how you're supposed to do it. Most people do it wrong.
There you go.
All right, here we go.
There you go. Smart man.
Oh my gosh.
Good stuff. He's got a mouthful. He's got a mouthful.
Because they're so bomb.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right, so I love the steak and chicken combo. So I like chicken fajitas too, but I feel like for a real fajita, you have to have steak. These are marinated perfectly. I love the char on the meat. And actually all the seasoning got in the vegetables too. And then that homemade guac.
You got it.
They know what's up. These are awesome. Very good fajitas, and I'm gonna have to get another bite.
There you go. There you go.
All right, so we're making the Aunt Jackie.
Yep.
All right, who is Aunt Jackie? Is that the aunt of the owner?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right, what are we starting with?
We're starting with the batter on the grill.
Okay, so kind of like what's this, a French pancake? Started in France?
Really flat.
You ever been over to France? Have you ever had one? Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Really? Are the crepes better there?
I think they're better because of the environment.
Yeah, probably the person making it's probably been making it in the family for 1,000 years.
Exactly. And now we're just gonna cut up some banana.
Okay, so we got this working.
Yep.
And what is this, a griddle, crepe griddle?
Yeah, it's a crepe griddle.
All right, so we're going with the sweet crepe here. So half of a banana?
Half a banana. We're gonna have to flip that.
So you're gonna have to flip that. That's hard to do, isn't it?
Nah, I mean, once you get the practice.
What would happen if I tried? Probably break it in half?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like it
Most
takes some
newbies
skills.
do. Yes. All right, and then we're just gonna lay everything on.
So how long will this crepe cook for?
It's like,
Fast?
yeah, it's really
Okay.
fast.
All right, so this thing's gonna be massive.
Yes, yes. They're always,
All right, so bananas, fresh strawberries,
and blueberries.
blueberries,
And then we get some white chocolate
white
sauce.
chocolate. So what's in this batter?
It's
Obviously you guys make it every day.
yeah, we make it every day. It's really simple, actually. It's just eggs, butter, milk, and flour.
So what makes it so a crepe would be a thinner batter than a pancake?
Yeah,
Is it
pancake-
just extra milk? How many of these have you made? Like 1,000?
I've worked here for 2 years
Oh,
now,
okay.
so
Thousands of crepes.
Yeah.
And how many have you messed up?
like
thousands?
2.
Oh,
No, not that many.
All right, so we good to go?
Yep.
All right, we'll start flipping it up. Thing is massive, dude.
Yeah.
So do you consider this a breakfast or is it a dessert or what is it?
It could be honestly either, but because of the sauces, it's probably more of like a after dinner type of thing.
But do a lot of people get it for breakfast? All right, so what we had some strawberries, that raspberry sauce, and what is that, a little powdered sugar?
Yep. Just to top it off.
And that's good to go?
Yep.
No more sauce? No. All right, nice. Go, all right, here we go. It looks so much like an omelet. This thing is so pretty. Golly, it's big too.
And
A
it's delicious,
Big
yeah.
crepe. You couldn't eat this whole thing, could you?
No.
It's outstanding. Wow.
So good, yeah.
All right, guys, take a quick peek at this thing. All right, so I really like this. So right when you bite into it, the fruit gives it like this really fresh taste, and then the sauce you put on it, since you didn't overload it, gives it just enough sweetness. You really bite into it, you taste the freshness of the batter. Get a lot of the egg in there. I love that flavor of the egg. I'm still trying to figure out though if this is a dessert or a breakfast. Either way, this is the bomb. Very good job. You guys gotta come try this crepe. Not to mention it's absolutely huge. All right, Young, I'm chasing this joint. All right, we're going in for this right here. So, I'm not gonna lie, I've had it before. I know everyone's talking about the chicken sandwich at Popeyes. I'm gonna have to get the producer one too. Yeah, can I get 2 chicken sandwiches? Oh, I'm sorry. She said, oh, my bad. I'm so excited. This sandwich is legit though, by the way. I've never done fast food on this show. I did Domino's once, like 5 years ago. Telling you, wait till you see this thing. I know a lot of y'all probably already tried it, but if you haven't, wait till you see it. Yeah, can I get 2 chicken sandwiches and 2 ice waters, please? 71. I think that'll cover it. Hope she likes being on camera. Really, you're a Nelly fan? Yikes. I'm gonna make you a mixtape.
You like country grammar?
No, it's awful. Terrible. So we thought we caught a break because there was only like 2 cars in the drive-thru, but we still been here for like 15 minutes probably. I'm used to Chick-fil-A, so I gotta say Chick-fil-A's got a faster drive-thru. So in the battle of the chicken sandwiches, Chick-fil-A wins the drive-thru part. It was 15 minus, all right, I got you. Nice. All right, took the 2 bottled waters off, it went down $7. Hey, can I ask you a question? How many chicken sandwiches do you guys sell in a day when you're busy?
A day, 1,000.
Are you serious?
To 1,000.
Dang. All right, dudes, here we go. This is what it looks like for those that have not seen it. All right, so one thing I'm gonna say is the last time I had it, it was definitely bigger than this. This is still a nice patty, but I want you guys to see what I like. So let me take a bite of this real quick. This actually meets the hype. You know, you hear a bunch of this and that, oh, it's so good. Normally when you go to a place that's hyped up, when you eat it, it's usually always a disappointment. If you haven't had the Popeyes chicken sandwich yet, honest to God, give it a shot. I think you'll love it. Once again, like I said, Chick-fil-A's still the bomb too. But at this moment, I really do prefer this one, mainly, like I said, because of the breading. Give it a shot, guys.